Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the gorgeous Dreamer subscription box from Simply Gilded. And this box is just truly dreamy. I love everything about it. It's kind of a mix between an older box that came out a few years back, like the Eurogem, and then it has this kind of like a kind of inky colors. There's a lot of like I should call it ombre colors in it. It's just super dreamy. The light is not really my friend today, but I'm gonna try and show you to the best of my abilities. So first of all, this is the box that the washi comes in. Everything is packaged inside a cardboard mailer that keeps everything safe, so it will arrive to you in perfect condition. And the washi itself comes into another box, which is so pretty. This is perfect for actually cutting out and then turning this into a beautiful journaling card. I mean, this is just perfect. Just use a pair of scissors or cut something out with some sort of cutter. But look how gorgeous. It's almost like it's kind of like a sky background with beautiful clouds. The ombre goes from a very soft blue through these periwinkles and lilacs. There's like a mountain gemmy pattern in a silver holographic, and then it says Dreamer with little stars. Boutique washi tape collection is just gorgeous. I mean, these are all my favorite colors. I love everything silver foil. I love pastels. So I mean, this is stunning. And then here in the background we have kind of like a star pattern in a kind of gem pattern, so it's more stylized. There's a little cloud also in this kind of stylized pattern. It just says Simply Gilded 2022, and then it's just this periwinkle lilac on the side. Gorgeous. Before I share the washi though, I want to share the beautiful journaling card, which again, this is truly, I feel like this is like kind of like a view of the sky when you're traveling on an airplane and you're above the clouds, and this is the most gorgeous sky or sun, sunset or sunrise, not sure. I always get confused on how the light looks like in those two, but it has a beautiful melange of like purples and lilacs and pinks, and then this gem heart in the middle. Beautiful. And the pen that comes with it, which is a 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen, also has the same gorgeous ombre design. It goes from more of like a periwinkle purple from the top into a soft lilac, and it's again in silver foiling. And again, I always say how much I love this. They're very substantial pens. These are perfect for your note-taking or taking on the go, etc. And I always keep them in my purse, and I change them out with the season. And then you also get a sticker kit, and the sticker kit is as always very substantial. Now let's start with the smalls first. The smallest sheet is a sheet of the dates, so they're heart-shaped date stickers, and then you have also 3 rows of icons, and again the same ombre kind of sky background from the light blue to the pink in the silver hollow foil. Then you're getting a sheet of bow seals in the same pattern, just beautiful. And then you have 4 full sheets of stickers, and the first sheet is the full boxes, so you're getting 9 full boxes, plus you're getting 3 rows of washi stickers, so you can put these on top of use them as headers to divide your sections. If you're using Erin Condren style planners, these are perfect. And these boxes all have the gorgeous gem-like designs. You have hearts, you have clouds, you have the moon, the mountains. It says Dreamer. Then you have this kind of little CD-ROMs that is so cute with or CD with the music notes. Then you have the scattered patterns of stars, and I don't know if I have to pick my favorite ones. I love the mountains, and I also love the moon. I just because that pattern is my favorite one, the soft pink, etc., with to the light blue. Then the second full sheet, and again, these are always, as I say, in unicorn paper, so they're super soft, not soft, but they're just buttery, and to write on them, you will need to use, and I'm always trying to find it, there we go. If you have one of these microperm, the Sakura microperm, these work perfectly on them. And then here instead we have basically a mix of headers. There's some bow flags, there's some quarter boxes, then some half boxes here, this beautiful one with wings, and then these are just headers. And then we have another full sheet of a ton of flags. So the flags, some people ask me, what are you going to use the flags for? Well, I use them as like a checklist, basically. You can check off lists. Clearly, you have also some hard checklists, but these you can use also, sometimes I use them horizontally to write something on, so you don't have to use them vertically. You can use them as a quarter box, basically, has the same function. And then you have a little more little icons, then you have little bow stickers here, then we have some more icons, and then some deco with the beautiful silver foil gem kind of designs of bows, moons, hearts, and more. And then the little swags, I love the little swags. And then you have 4 full weeks of days of the week in different colors. So we have more of like a purplish color, more of like a lilac, and then this beautiful ombre, and then this pattern with the stars. And then we have 4 half boxes and a full row of headers. So this is a ton. You can always stretch them out. I always say, like, it depends on how much you decorate. If you use a ton of stickers, you know, clearly the less you less. And then this is the washi tape that's included in the box, and you're getting a mix of 50 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and some 5 millimeter. So let's start with this oh my goodness. Okay, 15 millimeters. So let me open it up and show you. So this color, and I've been trying to define it. So it looks to me more like a blue cobalt mixed with a purple hint, if that can, because it's a very intense color. It has the silver foil, holo foil on it with the CD design with little music notes on them. And then we're getting another beautiful 15 millimeter. This is a gorgeous stardust. If I ever saw gorgeous stardust, this is it. It has an ombre design, and then it goes from again a soft kind of lilac, periwinkle to a lilac, and the starter design is a mix of silver holo plus aurora pink holo. I mean, how stunning is that? This is definitely my favorite washi. And then this is a close second. This is another ombre washi. I mean, I have 3 drawers of ombre washi just because I love ombre washi so much. It's kind of hard to see, but because it's so soft, the pattern is this mountain range in a kind of like a gem stylized design in silver holo foil. It's just dreamy. I don't know. It's just very soothing. Again, that's an adjective that I use a lot, but I really love anything that it's a very soothing, calming kind of pattern and design, and that just, makes me feel very relaxed. And then you have this very soft baby blue with these white geometric stars, and that is a 10 millimeter. And then we're getting another 10 millimeter in a similar color. It's a very soft periwinkle, so it has a little bit of purple in it. And in this time we have the holo foil design, which are stars, they're moons, again in the same gem stylized pattern. And then we're getting 2 of the 5 millimeter, one in the color block and one in this little periwinkle with the stars, and those are the washi. So here is everything that comes in the box, and I heard from Irene that the box is almost reaching full capacity. So once they reach the full amount, I think they're gonna limit the spots a little bit, so make sure you don't miss out. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact customer service, and they will be able to help you out. And I hope you will get this box. This is absolutely stunning, so I know you will love it. And if you have any questions, just send me a DM on IG. I answer all DMs, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Bye bye.